Today we are here to discuss a lecture series in our thermal engineering. Okay. So before going to the topic, let us have a small discussion on what is meant by heat engines. So in our first lecture series, we are going to have an introduction on this heat engines. Can anyone know what is meant by heat engine? Have you heard what is heat engine, where they are used, or in any vehicles we are using engines? Tractor. Okay, good. What's your name? Perfect. You are using tractor. So what is the basic principle in this heat engine? Can you tell me what happens in the heat engine? Supplying power. So how the power is we are getting the power? Any idea? Okay. Very good. So what is telling is, due to some compression, heat is produced so that some work is done. I clearly tell you what is in the heat engine. Okay. So in a heat engine, it is a device where the heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Okay. Heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. So that type of device is called as heat engine. Okay. So normally heat engines are classified into two types. One is internal combustion engines, another one is external combustion engines. So what is meant by combustion? For combustion, what we need? How we are getting the heat energy? Any ideas? Very good. We need fuel. Okay. Air. Very good. We need air. Okay. Oil. Okay. So mainly we need fuel and air. Why we need fuel is, in the fuel there is chemical energy. Okay. So this chemical energy can be converted into mechanical energy, but not directly to mechanical energy. So in between something is happening. What is that? We are getting heat through combustion. Okay. So this is the basic principle behind this concept in heat engines. So the chemical energy in the fuel, with the help of the air, combustion takes place. So burning takes place. We are getting an excess amount of heat. So this heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. So this is the basic principle in the heat engines. So now we are clear with heat engines. Okay. Where we are using in the real time now, can you tell me? Tractors, already you have told. Other than that, trains, okay. Generators, turbines, in all the locomotive vehicles and in power plants, like that, many areas we are using. Here we have told that what is the difference between internal combustion engine and external combustion engine. So when the combustion takes place in a closed chamber, then it is called as internal combustion. When the combustion takes place outside, then it takes place, that is external combustion engine. Can anyone give me an example for external combustion engines? Any real-time examples? Where this combustion takes place outside, have you seen in your real time? How many of you have gone to Ooty? How many of you know about Ooty? What are the ways to go to Ooty? Road train. So what is the special between the train of Ooty and other trains? Coal. Very good. So the train is running with the help of coal. What about here? So what is the difference between coal and electric? What is the difference? What is the difference? How many of you have seen different gentlemen? Have you heard that you have seen? Many of these fight scenes are taken in the train. So what in that picture, what you have seen? What have you seen in the picture? What type of fight or what is happening in the train? Have you seen the robbery? Very good. It is robbery. So in the train, what there is, they are storing coal. In that you have noticed that coal is taken and it is used to burn. So that burning takes place outside. So that is the best example for external combustion engines. Okay. Very clear? So this is the basic classification of internal combustion engines and external combustion engines. Are you clear? Heat engines. Now we are clear with the applications of heat engines. So if you take this internal combustion engines, in all our vehicles we are using internal combustion engines. So where we are using external combustion engines is, one is in thermal power plant. In thermal power plant, what is the purpose of boiler? Have you heard? Have you know what is the meaning of boiler? A boiler is a device where water is converted into steam. So firing takes place outside. So when combustion takes place outside, what happens is the water is getting heated and then the water is converted into steam. So that steam goes up into the turbine. Where? That is nuclear power plant. So there is also principle same. Here we are using coal, but there we are using nuclear energy, uranium or thorium like that. So, but what is the difference is, coal we are using lot in amount. That is 4,500 tons of coal is equal to 1 kilogram of uranium. We are using 4,500 tons of coal to produce some heat. So that heat is equal to 1 kilogram of uranium. But why we are not suggesting this is, in the uranium there is lot of radioactive materials is coming outside. So pollution is more. So when the radioactive materials are coming, gamma rays and this alpha rays are coming outside, it is directly affect the human. So this in the nuclear power plant there is a nuclear reactor which is shield, and then there is an outer concrete shielding. Many precautions has to be taken for this combustion process. Okay, so that is why many people are opposing this nuclear power plant. Okay, now we are clear. Whereas in thermal power plant also we are using coal, but there are also many drawbacks. Pollution is more, fossil fuels you can't get till or lifelong. So there are also many issues of that. But as of now, for you have clearly understood that what is meant by IC engine and what is meant by external combustion engine. Are you clear with this? Okay, thank you.